This is I don't even know if I'm in the shot right now. This is the Blizard of '08. So what? No. A lot of snow. Calm. Yeah. This right here is untouched snow. You got it? This is not. Okay. This is untouched snow.
Untouched snow, baby.
Alright. Now it's touched snow. Do you see how deep that is? That's really deep. That's like up to my elbow deep, okay?
You make it sound like it's huge.
It is. It is huge. Turn.
Okay, yes.
Alright. So, this is how deep the snow is, out in our neighbor's yard. I don't know if we're really supposed to be out here, but this is what it is. Almost up to my knees. Almost up to my knees. And we're not at the creek yet. But we're gonna go there now.
Okay, we're here!
So it's really, really, really white out here. Kind of like walking into Watkins for the first time.
Big holes! You want to turn around and look at the camera for one, Keith? Try looking at the back of your head.
I fell again. This is the creek. Don't you want to go swimming? That's so refreshing. Alright, now we're going to get out of here. It's cold. Let's go interview some people. Alright. Okay, here, this is snow. That got shoveled out of our driveway. That's snow.
Look at the car.
That's the car! Yeah, that's the car.
This is our dog Chesney. He's eating snow. Chesney, no.
Good.